Huh, yeah, I just wanted to, make a video, because there's nothing better to do. And, yeah. You know what bugs me? There are people on Yahoo pop up on you and they're all like, hey, but that, you know what, actually they're not really talking to you, they're just sending it to everybody. And if you're a person that's watching this video and you do that, quit. It's annoying and it's retarded and ignorant. Okay, so quit. Okay. I want to say good book. Yeah. I've been reading it for a week. Pretty good book. Yeah. Let's go outside. Watching golf. Well, I'm not actually watching golf. I'm just waiting for South Carolina to play tonight because they're going to whoop that one people in Spartanburg tonight. So, yeah. I can't wait. Go up the stupid stairs. Need an escalator, I tell you what, buddy. Kitchen. Blah, blah. I hate that cat. Watch it. There's Tom. That's not. Hey, kitty. Where's Arthur's fat hind in? Oh, yeah. Huh, I'm going to show you my car. Watch it. Stupid cat. I hate that thing. One of these days, Rachel. One of these days. Can't believe I'm walking out here barefooted. I never do something like this. Okay. Ow. I came out here without shoes on. I'm going to show you my car. Oh yeah, booyah. That's my car. It's awesome, ain't it? You want to know why I'm going so slow? It's because I'm walking on gravel. Booyah. My neighbors are probably thinking I'm plumb ignorant. Oh well, who cares? Not good frig. That's my car. Ow. Booyah. Hens are jealous, ain't you? Yeah, I bet you are. Let's go back in the house. What in the world? Oh, that's the neighbors. I thought somebody was calling for me. What a boring day. Walking up the stairs because I'm bored. Nothing to do. Look at that cat. Hey, kitty. Ain't like I'm gonna step on you, DA. Alright, so I made a video because I was bored. And, yeah. And people who just, I don't know, wanna get on YouTube to watch random videos, don't leave me comments calling me names, because you're plumbing yourself. These stairs are a lot of work. Tell you what. Well, anyway. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. I don't know why I did that, I'm just retarded. Alright, so